Another simple dessert recipe for you all to try at home. This is called broken glass jello or stained glass jello. So this is a really nice and simple dessert that you can do in summer, and it's not that rich and it's really nice and colorful on the table too. So let's start doing. For this recipe you will need some hot water and different colors of jelly and 100 milliliters cold water with 1.5 teaspoons gelatin powder, 1 can condensed milk and several containers to put the jelly in. So let's start. So let's add the gelatin powder into the jug first, onto the cold water, and sprinkle it nice and well and leave it to soak. Meanwhile, add the hot water to the gelatin powder. Always the gelatin powder, the packets, add the gelatin powder into a jug and add hot water, the boiling water. I am using 1 cup measurement for each. So mix it well. After, pour the prepared jelly into the containers and put it in the fridge about 4 hours. So I'm going to do all these packets that way and leave it in fridge. The jellies are well set, so you can cut that in the same pan like this or transfer it onto a chopping board. I prefer this way, then less washing. So cut it into squares, nice chunks. While cutting the gelatin into cubes, microwave the gelatin that you put in to soak about 1 minute. So after, open the condensed milk and pour it into the hot gelatin. So I have this bundt pan ready and I'm going to add the gelatin into the bundt pan. Now let's pour the condensed milk onto the jelly and make sure that the condensed milk is not hot at this point, because we added the condensed milk to the hot gelatin. Now mix it well, bash, it will get mixed well and will go to the bottom. And now going to put this in the fridge back again about 1 hour. So the broken glass jelly or the stained glass jelly is ready, and this is how it looks like. Slowly release the mold and take it onto a plate. This is something so simple that you can serve in summer to please a gathering, and you can do this in individual molds or even in a large mold. To get the recipe and the tips, visit culinarycornerskitchen.com, and thank you for watching.